Mom? Mom? Dad, let me call you right back in the middle of something. He's in the middle of something too. Hold on. Let's call you back. Phone you.
5 minutes.
You want to put them on the speaker or?
Okay. All right. No problem.
Need some help?
Okay. Bye.
That's a lot of people.
Of course you have.
Whoa.
Another recordable story though.
Wow.
Because the other ones may be driving you crazy.
He loves the other one.
We like it.
Curious You, on your way. A gift for Andrew on his 2nd birthday. Read to you by Aiden, Mia, Uncle Jason, and Auntie Vanna. We love you.
Do you like George?
Just